Hello kids, welcome to our channel Kids Toons Studio. Today we will learn all about complete preschool syllabus. So please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get our every video on time. So watch, listen, speak. Let's start. Complete course summary. ABC capital letters, ABC small letters, ABC alphabets, numbers counting, shapes names, colors names, flowers names, fruits names, vegetable names, birds names, animals names. 12 exercise. Unit number 1. ABC capital letters. Let's start.
Capital letters. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital D, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, capital Z.
Lesson review. Read one by one.
Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital G, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, capital L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y, capital Z.
Well done! We did it! Unit number 2. ABC small letters.
Small A, small B, small C, small D, small E, small F, small G, small H, small I, small J, small K, small L, small M, small N, small O, small P, small Q, small R, small S, small T, small U, small V, small W, small X, small Y, small Z.
Lesson review. Read one by one. Let's start.
Small A, small B, small C, small D, small E, small F, small G, small H, small I, small J, small K, small L, small m, R, small s, small w, small u, small v, small w, small x, small y, and small z.
We did it! Unit number 3. A for apple. Let's start.
A for apple. A-double-P-L-E. Apple. B for balloon. B-A-L-L-O-N. Balloon. C for cat. C-A-T. Cat. D for dog. D-O-G. Dog. E for elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. F for fish. F-I-S-H. Fish. G for goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. H for hen. H-E-N. Hen. I for ice cream. I-C-E-C-R-E-A-M. Ice cream. J for jug. J-U-G. Jug. K for kangaroo. K-A-N-G-R-O-O. Kangaroo. L for lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. M for mat. M-A-T. Mat. N for nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. O for owl. O-W-L. Owl. P for parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Q for queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. R for rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. S for sun. S-U-N. Sun. T for tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. U for umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. V for violin. V-O-I-L-E-N. Violin. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. X for xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Xylophone. Y for yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Z for zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra.
Lesson review. Read one by one.
A for apple. B for balloon. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kangaroo. L for lion. M for mat. N for nest. O for owl. for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yellow. Z for zebra.
Wow! We did it! To be continued.